Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 places to visit in India during the magical monsoon season. Let's start the journey from number 10 and move our way up to the ultimate monsoon paradise. Don't forget to check out links in the I button to know more about these places. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Lonavala, a charming hill station in Maharashtra. Known for its lush greenery, serene lakes, and cascading waterfalls, Lonavala transforms into a picturesque retreat during the monsoon. The scenic views from Tiger Point and the mesmerizing Bhushi Dam make it a must-visit. At number 9, we have Coorg, also known as the Scotland of India. This quaint hill station in Karnataka is adorned with sprawling coffee plantations, misty hills, and gushing streams. The Abbey Falls and Raja Seat are particularly stunning in the rain, offering a tranquil escape. Number 8 on our list is the city of lakes, Udaipur. While Rajasthan is generally known for its dry climate, Udaipur comes alive with a different charm during the monsoon. The rains fill up the lakes, and the city palace, Jug Mandir, and boat rides on Lake Pichola offer a refreshing experience. At number 7 is Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, often referred to as the abode of clouds. The region's unique landscape, with rolling hills, pristine waterfalls like Elephant Falls, and lush greenery, becomes even more enchanting during the monsoon. Coming in at number 6 is Darjeeling, a charming hill town in West Bengal. Famous for its tea plantations, Darjeeling offers breathtaking views of the Kanchenjunga mountain range. The misty atmosphere and the toy train ride through the rain-soaked hills are experiences to cherish. Halfway through our list, at number 5, are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These tropical paradises, with their pristine beaches and clear waters, are a delight during the monsoon. The lush forests and serene environment make it an ideal getaway for nature enthusiasts. At number 4 is Goa. While typically known for its sunny beaches and vibrant nightlife, Goa transforms into a lush paradise in the rainy season. The Dudhsagar Falls, lush green countryside, and fewer tourists make it the perfect monsoon retreat. Taking the third spot is Munnar, a beautiful hill station in Kerala. Famous for its tea gardens, rolling hills, and Anamudi Peak, Munnar is a monsoon lover's paradise. The rain-kissed landscapes and Iravikulam National Park make it a haven for nature lovers. Narrowly missing the top spot, at number 2, is Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, one of the wettest places on earth. Known for its living root bridges and dramatic waterfalls like Nokkalikai, Cherrapunji is a surreal experience during the monsoon, offering lush greenery and awe-inspiring vistas. Finally, the number 1 destination to visit in India during the monsoon is Mahabaleshwar, a gem in Maharashtra. This hill station is renowned for its strawberry farms, ancient temples, and spectacular viewpoints. The Veena Lake and Lingamala waterfall are especially captivating when enveloped in monsoon mist.